How to stop incoming calls on iPhone. First of all, you'll want to click on Settings, so go ahead and click on the Settings menu on the homepage of your iPhone. Next, you'll want to scroll down, then click on Focus. Then you want to click on Do Not Disturb in the Focus section. Then you'll want to click on People in the Allowed Notification section there. Then you'll want to click on the Calls From section. Then you'll want to make sure that the button where it says no one is ticked, and also turn off allow repeat calls. You want that to be black. That's going to turn it off. So allow repeat calls to be in black, and then no one in the phone call section. So that's how it's done there for the majority, but also you need to click on the do not disturb for it to be activated. So if you want to turn off or on do not disturb to kind of turn this little mode off or on, what you want to do is press up from the bottom. So kind of press and hold the iPhone screen, scroll it up, then click on the do not disturb section. You can click it on or off within there quite easily. So leave a like on the video if that helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.